It's October the 22nd, 2023, and my hands were targeted with frequencies emitting from the shower head, because you can hold it, which is connected to here. I don't know if the plumbing goes down to the part right below me or above me. But anyways, these are my hands burnt and swollen from being targeted with frequencies emitting from the shower head that I was holding. This is at 1011 West Geordie Road. We're located between Rosemary Boulevard and I think it's Baldwin Avenue. In the city of Arcadia, 91007. You can Google Maps it, Google Earth it, or Yelp it to see where we live.